Welcome back, everybody. So I'm gonna attempt to repot this old, Japanese maple into a wider container. You can see this container is really narrow, but it served its purpose for the last good 6 years. I need to repot it. It's that time already. There's some rootage on top that needs to be addressed. A lot of the moss on top needs to be removed, and then try to refresh as much as I can. And then just trying to get into a bigger pot. It's still draining pretty well, surprisingly. So that's usually a good sign that it does not need to be repotted. I have not been really good on repotting some of my older trees just because they're doing pretty well. I'm the type that would wait. I play the wait and see game versus it's been 2 years I have to repot it, because if the tree is responding well to the pot, and it's not much dieback at all, or no dieback, excuse me, and it's responding well, fertilization and water penetrates, I usually don't want to repot it in that case. So that's, but now it's to a point where you can see it's really confining its roots. So I'm going to go into a much wider pot, about 22 inches. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. I won't probably do any commentary on sure, I'll probably do a time lapse and then call it a day at that point. You can see it's kind of flying away. Okay, so without further ado, we need to continue this work.
Well, I do apologize. My mic actually died at this point. But to continue the conclusion of this video is we spent the last good 3 to 4 hours. I wasn't expecting spending that much time getting this tree out of the pot into this new pot. And if you notice, the nebari is now exposed, almost a 12-inch nebari that's exposed. Still another about 3 to 4 inches still under that soil line that we're protecting right now. And then we're gonna put this in a semi-shaded area. Buds in this case is actually slowly being pushed, and it's probably gonna have full leafage within the next couple of weeks. But if you watch the video so far, you like the content, like and subscribe. I really hope to develop this tree a little further, and maybe get into an expo one day. Maybe not soon enough, but one day. If you again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.